I used to think the only way to beat lust was with more willpower. I was wrong. Everything changed when I replaced one bad habit with 5 better ones. These 5 habits helped me stay focused, build discipline, and finally stop giving in to every urge. If you're serious about changing your life, start with this. Habit 1: cold showers. When an urge hits, don't sit there thinking about it. Move. Take a cold shower for 1 minute. The cold wakes up your body, clears your mind, and breaks the cycle. Most urges only last a few minutes. You just need something stronger than the temptation. Habit 2: lift heavy. Your body needs a challenge. When you train hard, your energy has somewhere better to go. Instead of chasing quick pleasure, you're building real strength. Every workout makes discipline a little easier. Habit 3: stay busy. Most urges show up when you're bored. An empty mind looks for easy pleasure. Fill your day with work that matters. Study, build something, or learn a new skill. The more focused you become, the less time your mind has to wander. Habit 4: spend time around people. Being alone all day makes bad habits easier to repeat. Go outside, talk to a friend, spend time with family. Even a short conversation can completely change your mood. Real connections will always beat fake ones. Habit 5: turn your energy into progress. Your energy isn't the enemy, it's how you use it that matters. Every time you resist an urge, you have a choice. You can waste that energy or use it to improve your life. Read, exercise, work on your goals. Little by little, you'll become someone who controls their habits instead of being controlled by them. Real change doesn't happen overnight. It happens one choice at a time. Start with just one of these habits today. Comment which habit you're going to start with. And if you want more videos to help you build discipline and become the best version of yourself, make sure to subscribe.